Hey folks, we're here today with our beautiful 352 BHLE by Cardinal. This is our limited model, and we're here today at one of our fan favorites, our outside kitchen, which you will find standard on all of our bunkhouse models. Inside the kitchen, some of our highlight features are we offer a metal countertop, so anytime you have a drink with condensation or you're transferring something that might drip some water onto your counter from the fridge, you're protected. You got metal countertops here. We got real wood cabinetry here. We got LED lights to keep you lit up, as well as a light down under here. Full-size mini fridge. You have a spray port as well. And then directly under where your griddle would go, there's an LP connection right underneath the unit. And something I really wanted to hit on today, we keep a griddle in here, and that's because you're gonna see a griddle hook up here on the side of your unit. So today I wanna show you kind of what's inside the box and how you're gonna set that up. So here we are, we took everything out of the box for you guys. So here on our prep station, we have the body of the griddle, we have the skillet, and we have two brackets that it comes with, and then the mounting rack as well. So your first step, you're gonna wanna flip your body right over, and you're gonna wanna take out all four of the pegs. Then you're gonna take your bracket here, and the hinge side, the side that looks like a hinge, is gonna go facing outward. And then you fasten it back down to the body. And repeat on the other side. Once you have your brackets installed, you'll flip the body right back over, grab your skillet top. You're gonna put these knobs in all of the holes on all four sides. From here, the griddle is installed. Now let's get our bracket and install this on the side of the unit. Gonna put your arms out. And now this just pops right on the top. It's very, very easy. Then we're gonna grab the body here. And that part I mentioned earlier that kind of resembles a hinge, this is what's gonna slide right onto your bracket. And this is just for extra safety measures. Lock it in on both sides. Thanks for checking us out, guys. If you're someone who likes to entertain, all of our bunkhouse models and a couple other select models carry this outside kitchen that we went over today. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.